So let's get into it. The world of health gadgets it's just so crowded, right? And we've all been there. You buy that shiny new device you're convinced is going to change everything, and 6 months later, it's just sitting in a drawer collecting dust. So whenever something new like this comes along, you gotta ask,
Is this just going to be another piece of tech that's destined for the gadget graveyard? Or, just maybe, could this one actually be different? Well, that is exactly what we are going to figure out today by taking a really close look at the new Withings BeamO.
You see, Withings isn't just putting out another thermometer here. Their goal is way more ambitious than that. They are literally trying to reinvent the entire at-home health checkup.
And this is it, the BeamO. It's this super sleek device that promises to be your thermometer, your electrocardiogram, and your pulse oximeter, all rolled into one package. But the big question is, can one little gadget really do all of that and do it well?
To figure that out, let's start with the basics. First impressions. What does it actually feel like when you hold this supposed reinvention of the health checkup in your hands?
okay, so the second you pick this thing up, you can tell it's solid. This is not some cheap, flimsy piece of plastic. It has that classic minimalist Withings vibe, you know? It's really compact, but more importantly, it feels less like a consumer toy and more like a serious medical tool. Plus, the screen is bright, it's clear, it gives you just the feedback you need. Honestly, right out of the box, it makes a fantastic impression.
But hey, good looks aren't everything, right? So how does it actually perform when you need it? Let's put it to the test and break down each of its 4 main functions.
First up, the thermometer. This is probably the feature you're going to use the most often. And right off the bat, it's touchless, which, for anyone who's ever had to deal with a sick kid or just wants a super quick hygienic reading, that is a huge win.
And it's not just convenient, it's seriously accurate. In testing, it was consistently within 0.2 degrees of a hospital-grade thermometer. That's impressive. But the real game changer is the speed. If you have ever tried to take a squirming toddler's temperature, you know the struggle is real. This makes it completely effortless. For parents, this is a total sanity saver.
Okay, so beyond temperature, the BeamO starts to get into some pretty advanced territory with its built-in electrocardiogram, or ECG. And this is where it starts to feel like a truly serious health device.
The whole process is incredibly simple. You just hold the device with both hands, make sure your fingers are on the sensors, and in 30 seconds, boom, it captures a single lead ECG. The results pop up instantly in the app on your phone.
Now look, this is not meant to replace your cardiologist, okay? Think of it more as a powerful screening tool. It can actually detect signs of atrial fibrillation, or AFib, which can give you either some much-needed peace of mind or an early warning that you can share directly with your doctor. And having that ability, that's truly empowering.
Next up, we have the pulse oximeter. This measures your blood oxygen saturation, or SpO2. This term became a household name a few years back, and for a very good reason.
And honestly, it really is like having a tiny clinic right in your pocket. Whether you're managing a respiratory condition, you're tracking your recovery from an illness, or even just checking your levels after a tough workout, having this data instantly is incredibly valuable. It's another key vital sign, right there at your fingertips. And now for what might just be the BeamO's most unique feature, and one that's pretty easy to overlook. We're talking about its skin conductance assessment.
This thing is a total hidden gem. It measures your electrodermal activity, which is basically a fancy way of saying it tracks changes in your skin's sweat levels, and that directly reflects your nervous system's response to stress. So for anyone who's interested in managing anxiety or just better understanding how their body reacts to daily life, this gives you some fascinating data. It really pushes the idea of health beyond just physical numbers and into your overall wellness. So far, I know it sounds pretty amazing, but no device is perfect. So let's get real for a minute and talk about the stuff that might annoy you.
Because there's always a catch, isn't there? So yeah, let's dive into the potential deal breakers that might make you think twice before buying one. Okay, here's the honest truth. First, you're pretty much tied to the Withings app to see your trends and get the full picture. Also, that initial Bluetooth and Wi-Fi setup, it can be a little finicky. And yep, you're going to be charging it every week or two, so another cable to manage. And finally, yeah, there's the price. This is a premium device, and it definitely has a premium price tag to match.
And that price tag brings us straight to the elephant in the room. Because for a lot of us, the biggest question is how this thing stacks up against the health device we might already have on our wrist. Of course, I'm talking about the Apple Watch. It already does ECGs and tracks blood oxygen, so why in the world would you need a BeamO 2?
It's a critical comparison, so let's get into it.
All right, let's break it down. When it comes to taking an actual temperature to see if you have a fever, the BeamO is just far superior. The Apple Watch only tracks background temperature trends, which is different. The dedicated grip on the BeamO for an ECG is also arguably more consistent. But here's the massive differentiator: family use. An Apple Watch is for one person. The BeamO is designed to be a health hub for your entire household. Oh, and you won't find anything even close to that stress-tracking skin conductance feature on the watch.
So the big takeaway here is this: the BeamO doesn't replace your Apple Watch, it enhances it. It fills in these very specific and very important gaps that a smartwatch just can't cover, especially when you start thinking about family health.
Okay, we have covered the design, the performance, the annoyances, and how it stacks up against its biggest competitor. It's time to bring it all together for the final verdict.
So, who is this really for? Well, if you're someone who is proactive about your health, if you're managing a condition, or, and this is the big one, if you're monitoring the health of multiple family members, then yes, this is an absolute buy. The convenience and the data are totally worth it. But if you're more of a casual health tracker, or you only really need a thermometer, it's probably overkill.
And I really can't stress this enough. This right here is the killer feature. Being able to quickly switch profiles between different people in your home, that transforms this from just another personal gadget into a central command station for your family's well-being. Nothing else on the market does this so well.
Which leaves us with the final question. This isn't just about a 4-in-1 device. It's about consolidating your family's most important health data into one simple, powerful tool. So the real decision is this: is having that centralized family health hub truly